Hey there! Having issues with your Toast printing hub? Before contacting customer care, try these quick troubleshooting steps first. On your printer, you will find several LEDs that will provide important information about the status of your device. An LED color guide can also be found on the back cover of your printer to help interpret the meaning of each light. Let's start by confirming that your device is receiving power. To do this, check the power LED on the front of the printer. If the LED is green, the printer is receiving power and is turned on. If the power LED is orange, the printer is powered off. Hold the power button to turn the printer on. If the LED is off, the printer isn't receiving power. Check that the power adapter is securely connected to both the printer and to a working outlet. To do this, open the back cover of the printer and unplug the cable. Then reconnect it, ensuring the connection is secure and the cable is not damaged. If the device still doesn't power on, try a different outlet or a known working power adapter. If your printing hub isn't showing any errors but still isn't printing or appears offline, it may mean that your POS is having trouble communicating with it. The printing hub can be connected to a network connection or a USB connection. When it's on a network, the printer can receive print jobs from any device on the same network. But when it's connected by USB, it can only receive printing from the device it's plugged into. If your printing hub is connected through the network and it isn't printing or shows as offline, start by checking the network LED on the front of the printer. A solid green light means the printer is connected to a healthy network. A solid orange light means the printer is connected locally, but the internet or connection to the ISP may be down. A flashing orange light means the printer isn't communicating properly with the router. If there's no light, the printer doesn't detect an Ethernet connection. If the light on your printer is either orange or off, start by checking the Ethernet cable connection. Make sure the cable is fully inserted into the Ethernet in port on the back of the printer and not the Ethernet out port. Unplug and reconnect the cable to ensure it's securely connected and inspect the cable for visible damage. You'll also want to check that your router, switch, and any other networking devices are powered on and functioning correctly. For support with networking issues, check out our Toast Networking troubleshooting resources. After verifying the connections, check your network LED again. If it's green now, your connection's been restored. If your printing hub is connected only through the USB and it isn't printing or shows as offline, start by checking the terminal LED on the front of the printer. A solid green light means the POS device has an active USB connection and can send print jobs. A solid orange light means the printer is receiving power from the POS device but not USB data. If the terminal LED is off, the POS device is not detected. If the light is orange or off, let's check the USB cable connection. Make sure the USB cable is securely connected at both ends and that it's plugged into the terminal port on the back of the printer. Unplug and reconnect the cable to ensure it is securely connected, and inspect the cable for any visible damage. After checking your connections, check the terminal LED again. If it turns green, the printer is connected and ready. If the light is still orange or off, restart both the printer and the POS by unplugging the power cable, waiting a few seconds, and plugging them back in. If your printer's power and connections look good, let's check the printer status on your POS device. On the POS, navigate to Printer Setup. If the printer shows as online, it's connected and ready to print. If it shows offline, the POS cannot communicate with the printer. For network printing, confirm that both the printer and the POS are connected to the same network. For USB printing, confirm that the POS detects a USB connection. If the printer still appears offline, restart the printer and the POS to refresh the connection. Finally, for network startups, turn the printer off and then back on to print the startup status slip. On the slip, confirm that the serial number matches the configuration in the POS printer setup. If the printer still doesn't appear online after all these steps, contact Toast support for additional troubleshooting. If you've confirmed that the printer is online and it still won't print, is printing duplicates, or is printing the wrong ticket, this is likely a configuration issue. You'll need to confirm your settings on your POS and in ToastWeb. On your POS, navigate to Device Setup, Receipt Printer, and make sure the correct device is selected. In ToastWeb, check the Prep Station page to ensure routing is correct for this device. If you're having issues with your printer door shutting completely or sensing that there's paper present, start by removing and reinstalling the paper, ensuring that the glossy side is facing toward the status LED lights. Next, clear any paper or debris from the printer door and ensure the door is completely shut. To print a diagnostic report, press the power button 2 times in rapid succession while the printer is powered on. The report should automatically print. Here, you can find key information about your printer status, such as connection details, errors, and troubleshooting. Your printer can also print an advanced diagnostic report, providing even more detailed information. To print, turn the printer off, then power it back on while holding the gray Feed button. You can release the button when printing starts. Then, from the button menu, select Advanced Diagnostics. We suggest printing a diagnostic report before contacting care so our team can provide you with the best support. We really hope these quick tips helped. If you're still having issues with any of the topics mentioned, Toast Customer Care is here to help. If you do reach out, be sure to print that diagnostic slip to help our team provide you the best support. And remember, you can scan the QR code on your printer at any time to access up-to-date information about the Printing Hub and get help with troubleshooting. You got this.